This is absolutely no way to wake up in the morning. We're our fifth day in London. We were sleeping this morning, and one of your devices, your phone,
Mm-hmm.
started making this very unusual
Alarm.
We didn't know what it was. We knew it was alarm. We were sleeping. You woke up. What happened next?
I looked at my phone and I'm like, I don't know what this is because there was no notification or anything that indicated what the alarm was.
Oh. Yeah, and I think that's maybe when I grabbed my phone and I saw the message on it. We have a security system at home, and the message was something along the lines of, it was exactly along the lines of, fire detected at insert your address. Alarm went off. Fire detected at our address. Woken up from our sleep. Panic ensued. I think we were both trying to contact home.
I tried to contact our son, but just when I was reaching for my phone to do that, I saw a call from Vivint.
Which is our security company.
And then it just hung up, and I thought, okay, this is weird.
Yeah. Simultaneously, I'm in a panic thinking the house is on fire, so I'm trying to call back to the United States, and whatever the first person's name that I push on my phone, something came up, and again, because I just woken up, my eyes hadn't adjusted, I can't really read things, and I thought it was the scenario of when you're out of the country, you have to dial the right prefix country code. You know, when you're not in the States, when you travel outside, you can't just dial the number. You have to dial a certain prefix. But it turned out on my phone I was still in airplane mode, which is why the alarm didn't go off on my phone. But ultimately, you were able to contact somebody.
Finally, I just hit my daughter's number, and she picked up.
Oh yeah, and that's when we told her call 911 immediately, because we didn't know. We thought that maybe there was a fire. So to cut to the chase, the good news is there was no fire. Yes, so the heart thing that was going on, because that's like a nightmare scenario. You're on vacation, something happens at your house, and apparently there was some smoke-ish activity in the house that triggered the alarm to go off. Nothing that's a problem. We talked to our son, it's under control, but geez, that's no way to wake up. And so here's a couple of things to know is if you are traveling and if you do have a security system at home that has like notifications back to you, when we're traveling, often will put my phone on airplane mode. One is I was even reading something recently that suggested to do so for various reasons, but I'm doing it just to preserve battery life because I take so much video on my phone. But to know if your phone is on airplane mode, you may not get a message like this, so you want to have another device.
You won't get the sound. You got a notification, but you didn't get the sound.
But if I was sleeping, I wouldn't have heard the message come in. So that was the first thing that happened this morning, and then another thing happened this morning. Julie awoke to her first injury of the vacation.
Yes.
What happened to you?
Yes. I wondered why my side of my foot was hurting a little. I was like, God, why is it so tender? So I reached down, and there was a blister.
Yes. So in Europe, we do a lot of walking. A lot. And you ended up.
And then I had moleskin, so I just put some moleskin on it. And
you went through like 2 shoes yesterday. You transferred.
Yeah, I was kind of lucky. I don't know why I grabbed my thongs, my little flip flop thongs, and put them in my big bag. And my feet were hurting enough where I said I'm just gonna put these on for a while, and that helped a lot.
What gave you the blister, you think? The Hoka shoes or
the shoes?
Oh, the shoes. Oh, wow. Yeah. So another tip is Julie travels with a first aid kit. I'm assuming this is where you got your Band-Aid from?
Yes.
Yes. So tip is when you're traveling to Europe, you're going to be doing a lot of walking. If you live in the States where we do not do a lot of walking, we're lazy and we drive the car everywhere. Most people do. We walk a lot.
Yeah.
But helpful to have something small like this you could put in your luggage case. I have not opened this, Julie, so I don't know what's in here. So I'm going to do it right now. But you open it up and you can have all kinds of stuff in there, including Band-Aid, first aid materials, whatnot. So recommend something like this. Good to have on your travels. And now we are wide awake and off to do some exploration for the day.